Ancient civilizations. What does the map below represent? There are 9 ancient civilizations on the map below. Name them and name the parts of the world they are located in. Check your answers on the map below. Which is the most ancient civilization and which is the most recent? Check your answers now. Listen and complete the following timeline. According to historians, the world has known about 27 civilizations. The earliest one is the Sumerian, which rose in Mesopotamia in 3500 BC. The second oldest civilization is the Egyptian, which emerged on the Nile Valley 5113 years ago. The next one is the Indian civilization. It started in the Indus Valley and in 2500 BC. Then comes the Chinese civilization, which flourished in the Yellow Valley 3713 years ago. After that, we find the Greek civilization, which appeared in 800 BC in the southeast of today's Europe. In the same area originated the Roman civilization in 509 BC, namely 2522 years ago. Finally, far from the Old World, in Mesoamerica, 3 great civilizations developed: the Mayan in 250 AD, i.e. 1763 years ago, the Incan in 1200 AD, that is to say 813 years ago, and the Aztecan in 1350 AD, that is 663 years ago. Check your answers. Check it again on the map and the timeline. Consider the following dialogues and then draw a rule. We use when to ask for a date, and we use how long ago to ask for a period of time in the past. Okay, now in pairs, make similar dialogues using the information from the completed timeline in Task 7.